We have a problem in the tax industry, and it's this. CPAs are telling people that they're making too much money, but really that's not the problem. That's not the advice. That's not what you need to hear. What they're actually getting at is you made enough money to bump you into the next tax bracket, and they just don't know how to get your tax bill down. So they have to give you bad news that says you have to pay more in tax. What the real problem is the strategy that you had in place was not effective enough to get the tax bill down to overcome the amount of money that you made. The reason that they'll suggest things, most CPAs will suggest things like buy a vehicle because you can write it off, or put money in your IRA account, or just pay your estimates on time, is because those are specific items listed on the tax return. Bonus depreciation is a specific line item listed on any business tax return. An IRA deduction is a specific line item on your tax return that's shown. Estimated payments is a specific line. Estimated payment penalty is a specific line. What's not a specific line, though, is a cost segregation study for your rental property. What's not a specific line is which assets qualify for Section 179 expensing to offset your income. What's not a specific line is converting your IRA account to Roth in the same year that you do a cost segregation study to be able to convert your money to Roth tax-free. What's not on there is buying a gas station because it's more advantageous than buying a normal commercial building. Those aren't on there, but someone needs to help you identify them, and most CPAs just don't understand that. They just know what shows up on the return and how to take what you give them and just put it on there and account for it. They don't actually know all the ins and outs of the specific line items in the tax code. Even Bitcoin, there is a specific strategy that you can use with Bitcoin similar to tax loss harvesting, but the 30-day rule doesn't apply. Most don't know about this, and it's a huge advantage that you can leverage. So you need someone to help you identify what those strategies are and take advantage of them, because if you don't, you're going to pay the IRS way more money, and that's no fun. Why don't we just instead find a way for you to have more control of your money and do what you want to do with it? Because that creates more opportunities for you and for those around you in your environment. That's what really impacts people. So let's find a way to do that, because making too much money isn't the problem. The strategy and the effectiveness is the problem. And so we just need to change the approach. So change your approach. This is your notice to change your approach so that you stop paying the IRS so much money.